Well, good day, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on April 29th, 2019. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. Welcome to another video from Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, posting my severe weather analysis and disaster alerts from around the world as I study sun images here. As during the last few hours, we had a pretty sizable eruption off the backside of the sun. You can see a glimpse of it here as the plasma is interacting with it. Filament eruptions. We also have another sunspot region from the backside coming around in the next 24 hours. You can see the corona being disrupted on the west side there, on the left side as well. Plasma, filament eruptions reacting with the incoming sunspot. So definitely keep tuned, aware, and prepared. As we are watching a very quiet sun, looking here on the left side, you can see all of the dancing plasma filament eruptions interacting with the incoming sunspot, and as well the CME on the backside of the sun, I'm sure, because it was very sizable. We're going to get into that in just a moment. Wanted to show you closely here the plasma filament. Zero sunspots. We need some sunspots, people, or we're going to cool quickly on this planet. So looking here at the emerald spiral, showing a pretty sizable CME off the back side of the sun. You can see it already interacting with the previous CME from the same sunspot region. It was a very fast moving eruption. Thank God that was not Earth facing. My gosh. Stay aware and prepared. Let's look at the last 24 hours for earthquakes. And we've had definitely an increase in seismicity along west coast of North America. Recently having a 4.3 in Redwood Valley, California. A lot of recent earthquakes, California, Borrego, California, as well as Old Faithful going off today. Dixon Lane, Meadow Creek, California. 4.1s, 3.8s. This is... I really hope it's not a precursor. I've got a couple subscribers contacting me. They're feeling really strange, like something big is going to happen. And I feel it too. Around the world, people are feeling it. So stay aware and prepared. These are minor earthquakes, hopefully not precursors to a larger earthquake. Most recent 5.0 in Greece, as well this large 6.2 on the Carlsberg Ridge, just south of Yemen and Oman in the Indian Ocean. That was right on the plate line. I'm going to show you in just a moment exactly where it was on the plate line. Right in the corner of the Indian plate and the Somalian plate. Let's look at the last 7 days, 5.0 and greater. So it has been somewhat quiet, especially in this region here, North America. You can see here exactly where the epicenter of that 6.2 was, right in the corner junction, Somalia plate and India plate. Pretty quiet on the western side of the Ring of Fire today. But over the past week, this is the last 7 days for earthquakes. Not as many deep earthquakes as the week before. Please stay tuned to a new video coming up soon. The month of May for our solar system and planetary conjunctions. These are my warning areas: North America, as well as Africa and the Arabian Plate. And we're going to get the weather next 10 days for a cumulative snowfall in Canada. That right there is Alberta, looking at 40 centimeters of snow over the next 10 days. Why? Because we've got another winter storm coming next weekend. We just had a nasty blizzard. It lasted for about 6 hours. We dumped almost 15 centimeters of snow, caused havoc on the roads across 2 provinces, Alberta and Saskatchewan, as that blizzard quickly blew east and then southeast. Looking at it here now, you can see it forming over Montana, moving northeast. So next 5-day forecast brought to you by Meteor Earth and Meteor Mike. You can see here, across Alberta, cold temperatures are sticking around -9 in some nights. So stay aware and prepared, stay warm, because spring is not here. And about a month ago, 6 weeks ago, I said we would not have spring until May. And I'm proving to be pretty right, because these cold temperatures are sticking around. Across the southeastern United States, watch for a lot of rain over the next couple days. But tomorrow, for sure, watch for extreme weather event. A lot of tornado warnings across the mid-eastern United States, especially Oklahoma, Kansas. Looking over the Atlantic Ocean, large low-pressure system, as I showed in a previous video, bringing over 400 centimeters of snow to coastal regions of Greenland. Large low pressure does not seem to want to go away. Just keep getting bigger and bigger, eating other low pressure systems. Across the United Kingdom, cold temperatures and a winter storm heading your way, so stay aware and prepared, United Kingdom, as that is quite a low pressure system coming from the north. Going to bring a lot of cold temperatures and snow. We also have tropical Cyclone Fani, who's heading towards Pakistan, northeastern Pakistan, for the coming days, expected to make landfall on Thursday evening. You can see it here, the 5-day forecast shows it growing to a Category 3 by the time it makes landfall. So stay aware and prepared. India, please share with your friends and family from across the world, as we all try to stay aware to these extreme weather events across the world, as well as uptick in earthquakes. Across Australia, looking to see a cool-off over the next week or so. A lot of rain moving in from the southern hemisphere. I want to thank you all for watching today. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends and family from across the world. Stay aware and prepared, stay young and have fun, and get your morning dew. Bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family across the world.